Colorful Cute Kids. Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Powerpuff Girls fly to the sky. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Buttercup, starting with her head. I draw a big circle like this. Then I draw her hair. Buttercup has short black hair. I continue to draw her eyes. She has two big eyes. I draw a big circle outside and small circle inside like this. Then I use this black marker to paint Buttercup's eyes. I continue to draw her smiling mouth and I draw her body. She is flying to the sky with her teammates. Next to her, I draw Blossom, starting to draw her head with a big circle like this. Then I draw her hair. She had a bangs. Then I draw two eyes like this. And I draw a big bow on her head like this. Then I draw Blossom's body. I draw her hands and draw her legs like this. Blossom has long hair. Then I use this black marker to paint her eyes. Finally, I draw Bubbles. I also draw a big circle like this. I draw her bangs and her two eyes. I draw a small circle inside and I draw a big circle outside like this. And I also use this black marker to paint her eyes. Then I draw her hair. Bubbles tie her hair on both sides. I continue to draw her hands. She is holding Blossom's hand, and Blossom's hand is holding Buttercup's hand. Look, they are very united. Then I draw a rainbow like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. First, I use green to paint Buttercup's eyes and dress. Then I use red and pink to paint their mouths. Orange for Blossom's hair. For her eyes, I use pink to paint. I also use pink to paint her dress. Black. I color her bow red. paint Purple's eyes and her dress. Yellow for her hair. For their skin, I use cream to paint. To paint a rainbow, I use green, light pink, and dark blue watercolor like this. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!